This illustration deals with the new Article 360 in the Annex R to NFPA 70E. Now, the Article 360 you'll find around page 53 in the document, for the standard 70E. And on about page 97, you'll find the Annex R. Now, notice that in the purpose of change, that's all this is talking about, is the new Article 360 and the Annex R that deals with individuals that's working on equipment that has capacitors involved and so forth. And notice we have V for voltage, C for capacitance, R for resistance. So here's the voltage, here's the capacitance, and here's the resistance of the body. Now notice the resistance that the body has can change drastically where a person is sweating, wet, dry skin, wet skin, whatever you may have, can alter the amount of energy that could flow through a person to ground. Now notice the ground, we would go over to page 97 of the standard and look at the figure R.3.1 A on page 97, and you pick up a lot of information there concerning this illustration. Now notice the ground, you'd go over to NFPA 70E and the Annex R, R.11.9A on page 103, and you'll find information about soft ground, hard ground, and so forth there that you would review and kind of look about what this ground is talking about. But review very carefully Article 360 and the Annex R, which is loaded with information that's very valuable to folks working in and around equipment, or mainly on equipment that has capacitors, that has storage energy that doesn't automatically discharge, or is it the type of capacitor with storage energy that you have to automatically discharge. So review the Article 360 along with the article, say not article, but Annex R in the back of 70E for more information that would help you determine certain values, certain characteristics dealing with capacitors. And that's what this purpose of change is about, and what the new Article 360 and the Annex R covers is tasks that deal with capacitors involved.